Hi, I'm David with DB Construction. Today I'm here to show you how to install some really great vinyl products introduced to you by 6th Avenue Building Products, manufactured by Bodo Plastics. If you have the right tools, it's an easy installation. Let's get started. Here are some of the basic tools you're going to need to install your PVC 2-rail fence. 4-foot level, a string line, hammer, tape measure, silicone caulk, or PVC glue for your post cap. Here are some additional tools and supplies you're going to need to install your post. You've got some braces to hold your post in place. You've got some stakes. You've got your wheelbarrow. You got a shovel. You got your post hole digger and your concrete. Always remember to contact your local municipality before you dig. So now that the local utilities have given us the all clear to dig our fence, I'm going to show you today how to install a continuous line of fencing, which is usually a post-rail installation. First, we want to start a string line from your first post to your end post. That'll help establish a straight line. Now we want to lay out where our posts are going to go, measuring the fence rail and the post. Always remember to measure twice. You never want to have to dig a hole a second time. Now that we have our holes dug, it's time to set our first post and level it. Out of the box, your 2-rail PVC post comes with 3 different options. The first one is a corner post with notches on 2 sides. Your second option is your line rail, which is holes on 2 sides. And your third option is your end post, holes on 1 side, but can be used for your gate mounting as well. Each post comes with a matching cap. Always a good idea to string a line from one end post to the other and set your middle post to that height. Out of the box, your 2-rail fence comes with a top and a bottom rail. Measuring off the ground to the top of your top rail, you can go as tall as 48 inches. Snap in your bottom rail and your top rail and pull your next post in tight and continue on. And there you have it. Easy installation and looks great.